Despite the macroeconomic challenges confronting the Nigerian business environment, we find out that the financial sector seems to be gaining more momentum with the reports and with the figures that they are reporting, gaining more and more profit margin. What will you say is responsible for this?
Okay, there are two things that we have to look at when you're looking at financial sectors. You look at where is interest rate heading. When interest rate goes up, it's a good one for financial institutions. When interest rate goes up, it's also a good one for them in terms of the securities that they actually invest in. So because when interest rate is going up, it simply means that yield will go up, and that means it's a very good one for most of those financial institutions. But the peculiarity of this time is also another thing that we also need to factor in. This is a time where there's devaluation, huge devaluation of the currency. Most of these banks, they're actually sitting on a positive net FX positions. And what that simply means is that any devaluation in the book or in the currencies is a plus to most of them. And that's one of the reasons why we saw that huge leap in the book of FBN. And like I mentioned also, the financial sector is it's more like the oil of any economy. It simply means that when the financial sector is thriving, there's every tendency that you might see the effect on other sector, manufacturing sector, the oil and gas and all that sector, because every other sector is anchored on the financial sector. And that's one of the reasons why no matter the situation, you tend to see the financial sector thrives, because it simply means that they benefit from the performance or from extending fund to other sector of the economy. So what we saw in this FBN is not something that is we are not expecting, because most of that is before now. They've already factored that in, and that's why you've seen that people have been buying most of Nigerian banks. Immediately the news of devaluing Naira came to the market. And for me, I think that this will be more across board, because I doubt there's any of Nigerian banks that is more into negative FX position, because most of them rather sit on positive FX position, knowing fully well for a long time that there is huge disparity between the parallel market and the official rate. So you also know that a time will come where we need to have the whole market, and what will surely move will be the official market, and that's exactly what has happened.
With the strong, vibrant and viable way that the Nigerian financial industry seems to be going, what signal is this sending to foreign investors about the Nigerian financial ecosystem, and also its role it's playing in the capital market?
Thank you. As my friend Dikon has just said, the financial sector is the pivot at which everything radiates in an economy. It is the hub. When you do well, it's a good signal. It shows the international community, the investing world, the investing public, that something good is happening. When the financial sector is doing great, it gives people a signal that the economy is waking up. Well, we students of contemporary studies have said that Nigeria is a sleeping giant. If you want the economy to wake up, tap the financial sector. It's the financial sector that will wake up the economy. Now that the financial sector is showing signal of waking up, of good performance, is giving the right signal to the international community, the investing public, that something good is happening in Nigeria.
What exactly is First Bank doing differently that has made them to be ahead, a leading game among financial sector players?
Yeah, for me, I will not agree that they are leading one for now, because we have to see others financial. This is the first one. I let people that when a child perform well in his class, when he hear the horn of his father, the first bank to bring out the gate and say that they welcome because they have done well. First bank in the history have not released results as early as we are seeing, because they perform well. We have seen them like fronting blowing your own whistle or your own for a horn. They've done it, which is good for the market. And nothing special they have done. What is happening between about Teleco and the others is because just a holding structure. That has to do with investing. Most time, what is happening in secondary market does not have much impact on the company operation. Like what Deko said, the kind of unification the revaluation of assets in the in the financial sector as a result of change in inflation of exchange rate. They did what impacted First Bank performance. Before now, this is the bank that yes, First Bank have shown strength before now, because there was a time they had almost to make position about almost 200 billion. They did it successfully and they remain as a bank. That shows that yes, they are strong. But in terms of payout, I have not seen something commensurate to the price we are seeing. If you consider what they paid last year, 50 kobo for so that almost around 11 naira or 10 when the result came to the market, is for me it's not the right thing to just talk about now. But the good thing is that they are giving us a signal what we should expect from the financial sector. There are many of them going to see results that will come between now and end of September that will tell us yes, these are really first year bank. But it's good that First Bank have started it. They've shown us the way they are going, and that also have awakened investors confidence and also interest.